How to install Cloud Code. So I have installed Cloud Code and I'm going to chat with it for you to see. I'm going to say hi Cloud and hit enter. And then as you can see from here, Cloud Code has responded and it's working perfectly fine. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. What you need is that you have to first install VS Code. I'm having a video in the video description show you how to do this. So watch it if you don't have it. And then come to the top here where you have terminal, come and click on it and come and click on new terminal. So when you click on new terminal, it's going to open the terminal just like this, okay? And then first you have to make sure that you have Node installed. So to check it, simply come and then type Node, okay, just like this. Then you leave space, then -v, and then you hit enter. So after that, it is going to display the version of Node that you have installed just like this, okay? So I have Node installed and that is why the version is showing. If yours does not show any version, it means you have to install it. So to do it, go to Google. From Google search, come and type in Node.js just like this and then hit enter. Come and select the official site of Node.js. By clicking on it, it's going to bring you right here to the Node platform. Okay, at the top you see that I have download here. Come and click on it and then it's going to bring you right here. What you have to do is simply come and then select your operation system by clicking here. You can select any of these, but I'm going to go with Windows since I'm on Windows. And then at the down here you see that you have Windows installer. Come and click on it, then download and then install it. After that, come to VS Code and then come and make sure that you have npm installed. So type npm space -v just like this, then you hit enter. Okay, it's going to display the version just like this. Okay, if you don't have it, just install it. After that, you can come and then install Cloud Code. And to do that, simply come and then type in this. That is npm space install -g space at anthropic AI/cloud-code. The exact same thing just like this. You can pause the video, write it down, then type it in just like this, then hit enter. It is going to install Cloud Code. So as you can see, just give it time for it to install, and as you can see, it has successfully installed, but npm needs an update. Okay, so to do that, simply come and then highlight this just like this, just copy it and then come and paste it by simply pressing right click, and then it's going to paste just like this. Okay, and after that, simply hit enter and it is going to update the npm for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is going to update the npm. And after a successful update, now we can then launch Cloud Code. And to do that, all that you have to do is simply come and type in cloud, okay, just like this, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it is going to open Cloud and it is going to ask you some questions. So the first question is the theme, okay, so just allow that theme, just hit enter. And after that, over here, it is going to ask you to select billing. Okay, you can either go with a subscription base or the API. The one that I prefer is the subscription base. So simply select Cloud Code with subscription account. Okay, for that you need the Pro by simply clicking on the enter. Okay, and then over here it is going to ask you to log in with your Pro account. Okay, if you don't have it, you have to upgrade to Cloud Code Pro. And to do that, simply come and click on upgrade to Pro. Okay, and come and select the Pro. So the Pro is all that you need to use Cloud Code. So simply come and click on get Pro. And over here, the one that I prefer is the monthly one. Okay, so simply come and select monthly one. So after selecting it, this is going to be the subtotal. Okay, come and select your payment method, either Visa, and then come and check the box to agree to their terms of service and come and click on subscribe. It is going to go through with it and then it's going to create your Pro plan for you. Okay, so as you can see, we are now at the Pro plan. You have the option to come and click download for Windows, and that is the Cloud Code app. Okay, so you can download it and then install it later. Okay, but we are not going to go with the installer. And then you are going to get an email. Okay, inside your email you are going to see something like this: verify your email. Come and click on it and then get verified. So after a successful verification, you are going to get another email just like this, showing that you have successfully subscribed to the Pro plan for Cloud. Okay, after that, come back to VS Code just like this. Okay, and over here, come and then click on this link by simply pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and then click on it. It's going to ask you to follow it. VS Code is going to ask you simply come and then click on open, and then over here you have to come and then connect it, okay, and then authorize it. And to do that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on authorize, and they are going to give you this code. Simply come and then copy the code, okay. After copying it, come back to VS Code just like this. Over here, come and paste it by simply right clicking on it. It's going to be pasted just like this, and then simply hit enter. After that, over here it is going to show a successful just like this, and then simply come and then hit enter, okay, and then come and then hit enter again. And then over here, simply come and then choose yes, use recommended settings by simply hitting enter on your keyboard, and then hit enter to trace the folder as well. And that is it. We have successfully installed Claude Code. Okay, so as you can see, welcome back to Cloud, and everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, so now we can simply go ahead and then test Claude Code to see that it's working perfectly fine. So I'm simply going to say hi Cloud, and I'm going to hit enter, okay. And as you can see from here, Cloud has responded and it's working perfectly fine. So I'm simply going to say that I'm just testing that the setup was done correctly. Okay, and I'm simply going to hit enter. And as you can see from here, Cloud is saying that we are all good and then everything is ready. Okay, so this is actually how to install Cloud Code. Like the video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.